My little friends. The little man with his racing snake. The nighthawk. Even the stupid bat. I couldn't hold on to them. The nothing pulled them right out of my hands. I failed.
No, you didn't fail. I'm the one who failed. I was the one chosen to stop nothing. But I lost the arm. I can't find my luck dragon. So I won't be able to get beyond the boundaries of Fantasia.
Listen. The nothing will be here any minute. I will just sit here and let it take me away too. They look like good, strong hands, don't they?